This presentation speaks to a garage carbon monoxide air system, which is necessary to maintain safe and acceptable oxygen levels throughout the zone. The system is necessary to safeguard against carbon monoxide air pollution, which can result in carbon monoxide poisoning. A sufficient amount of outside air is supplied to replace the carbon monoxide laden air removed by the garage exhaust fans. The carbon monoxide is produced by the exhaust fumes of vehicles entering and leaving. Many systems consist of exhaust fans only. Usually there are two exhaust fans which are staged to come on and off separately. A carbon monoxide detector location should be on the garage columns at about the 5-foot level throughout the area. Carbon monoxide levels cannot be in excess of 50 parts per million. The placement of carbon monoxide detectors and installation of carbon monoxide detectors should be left to professionals who are knowledgeable in the field. The system will be comprised of the following components: motorized outdoor air dampers, a filter section, a supply fan, a burner section, a heating coil circulating pump, exhaust fans, carbon monoxide monitors, and a carbon monoxide controller. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation. Goodbye now.